In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Trello template boards and cards. This is a perfect method for standardizing recurring workflows and will save you a substantial amount of time on repetitive tasks. So whether you're new to Trello or looking to optimize your current board setup, follow along as we streamline your workflow process. First, you'll want to head over to Trello.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your preferred method. You can use your existing Trello account credentials or link through platforms like Google or Microsoft, depending on what suits you best. After logging in, direct your attention to the top of your Trello dashboard. You'll notice a button labeled Create. Click on it to start crafting your new board. Next, select the Create Board option. This will start the process of setting up a new board from scratch. Now for the fun part, you'll be prompted to select a background for your new board. Whether you're into calming blues or vibrant patterns, choosing a background that resonates with you or your team can add a personalized touch to your workspace. With the background selected, give your board a meaningful title. Choose something that clearly represents its purpose to ensure everyone on your team knows what this board is all about at a glance. Visibility settings are crucial for collaboration, so pay close attention to this next step. You'll want to decide on the level of visibility for your board. You have three choices here: private, workspace, or public. Choosing private means only you and the invited members can see the board. Workspace shares it with people in your workspace, and public makes it viewable by anyone on the internet. Having set everything to your satisfaction, go ahead and click on the Create button to finalize the board setup. You may find ready-to-use lists already on your board, which can be convenient, but don't hesitate to create your own to better match your unique workflow processes. Once your lists are set, it's time to create a card. A card typically represents a specific task or piece of work that needs attention. Simply name your card in a way that clearly identifies the task at hand, perhaps a project milestone or an upcoming meeting note. Finally, be sure to save your new template board. At this point, you have a functioning Trello template board ready to use. Remember, you can duplicate lists and add more cards to tailor it to your organization's needs. This new system you've created will be a powerhouse for working smarter and not harder. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and share for more tips on Trello and productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.